Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Nissan Altima headliner. First, let's talk about the tools you'll need. You'll want a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a set of plastic trim removal tools. A 7mm socket will also be very helpful. Before you begin, recline your front seats all the way back and lay down a blanket to protect your interior from scratches. Next, we'll tackle the pillars and sun visors. Begin by gently pulling down the rubber weather stripping around the door frames. Then, carefully pry off the A, B, and C pillar trim pieces. These are typically held by clips, but some may have a hidden screw. For the sun visors, locate the small plastic caps covering the mounting screws, usually Phillips head or 7mm bolts. Remove these and disconnect any electrical. After entering your desired amount, Trust Wallet will present you with a list of third-party payment providers. These partners, like Simplex or MoonPay, facilitate the transaction. It is wise to compare their fees and exchange rates to find the best deal. Once you select a provider, you will be redirected to their platform to complete a quick identity verification, which is a standard security measure. With all the attached components removed, double-check that every clip, screw, and electrical connection is completely detached from the headliner board. Gently lower the headliner, ensuring it's free from the roof. If your vehicle has a sunroof, remember to detach any associated trim or clips. Finally, carefully angle the headliner out of the vehicle, often through the front passenger or rear driver's side door, to avoid creasing or damage.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.